equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. Be cautious as there may be some dust buildup inside. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft brush or cloth to ensure optimal performance after the repair. Now, you will see the motor. Disconnect the motor's wiring harness by gently pulling it away from the connector. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Next, remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 2 screws on either side of the motor. Once these are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the compartment. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the area where the motor sits. This will help prevent any debris from affecting the new motor's performance. Now, take your new motor and place it into the compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it's firmly in place to avoid any vibrations during operation. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new motor, ensuring it clicks into place. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. Once everything is connected, replace the cover of the motor compartment and secure it with the screws. Finally, reattach the dust canister by aligning it properly and pressing it back into place. Before you plug in your Dyson SV12, double-check that all screws are tightened and that there are no loose parts. If you'd like a quote before repair, feel free to contact us for assistance. Now, plug in your vacuum and turn it on to test the new motor. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson SV12. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to assist you with your vacuum needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.